Hello all. So now we are at a stage where we are going to look at primary research, okay, because it is a prelude to our chapter 5. So allow me to tell you a little bit more about why this part must be done properly. So some things to note other than this, okay, do go to SLS and finish the lecture on primary research. So at the end of the time where you are working on this, let's aim to ask for interviews by the end of this week, okay, and wherever possible, okay, I have some handouts and guidance documents to help you work on this. So just a disclaimer, okay, other than what I have gone through here, please make sure that you have completed the viewing of this lecture, okay, in SLS. So I'm just going over the key points. So why is there a need for substantiation in written report? So we have written up to the proposal chapter. So along the way, when we talk about having in-text citation, it is to allow people to understand that our project has some basis of support, and that is actually very important so that it does not look like science fiction as we are writing. So you might want to start this slide. Okay, I think sometimes you might get questions on what are your key considerations when deciding on certain research methods. Okay, just like whatever that is being listed here, these are the key points that you might want to take note of. Okay, as well as this. Okay, what made you decide how you want to research on a particular thing. Yeah, these are the points to note. Okay, it will be important. We will revisit them a little bit more. So at any point of the lecture, if you need to have clarification, you can do a screenshot and WhatsApp me, and we can talk about this. Yeah. So okay, what are the areas that possibly we could review our proposal on? Okay, this was from the earlier written report lectures, so you might want to take note of this. Okay, so going to primary research. Okay, what does primary research means? Okay, it is actually original data, okay, collected to answer specific questions. So it can be undertaken after a review of the secondary research materials. So it can be qualitative or quantitative. Yeah, qualitative. Okay, importantly, qualitative is actually in words. Okay, data in the form of words. So these are the different types of methodologies. Okay, for our chapter 5 review, we will be focusing on interviews. Okay, quantitative data is usually numerical data. How do I remember? Okay, because there is an N in quantitative. So these are the different types of quantitative research. So why do we conduct primary research again? Okay, so it is we must understand that we must apply the right methods that is appropriate, okay, useful, valid, and reliable. Okay, these will be very important words that we will revisit at the end of this video. Okay, and please go and look at the lecture for this. Okay, and to allow for strong and valid substantiation or support. So it is also critical to help us gather information not found in secondary data. For example, we have came up with a proposed solution. Our proposed solution might not be entirely from secondary data. So that is the beauty of primary research. Okay, it will allow us to actually get some feedback and improve on our project. That's the gist of chapter 5. Okay, and it is also important, okay, that we must use our primary research to help us triangulate information to establish validity and reliability. Okay, this is something, okay, that is important. We have done a series of secondary research. It is important for us to find support from varied sources. So research methods on interview. Okay, these are the different steps. Okay, please read through them. Okay, at any point of time you need a little bit more time, you can pause. Okay, why do we need to craft good questions? Okay, actually it is really to reduce and eliminate time. Okay, so that we can plug the gaps of the research effectively. Yeah, and last but not least, this will be valid and reliable data. Okay, so some other key points of crafting the questions are here. Okay, importantly, discuss the questions with me before you ask. Okay, so what to consider when crafting interview questions? Okay, these are the things. Okay, especially who are the experts. Okay, we are asking technical people, so maybe we don't ask them things about culture. Okay, these are the other aspects at the end of the slides that you can consider. Okay, other things could be appropriateness and alignment to research objectives. Okay, not too many questions as well. Discuss the number of questions for for you to ask, okay, so that it will not be such a lengthy interview session. Okay, ensuring validity, reliability, and authenticity. Okay, this is really important because in academic work, this ensures that your research is credible. So please take note of this. So what happens if it is not valid, authentic, reliable, relevant, accurate? Okay, you have to redo your research. So take some time to go to this handout. Okay, you can scan the QR code. Okay, I will bring you to the handout now. I don't need you to email anyone first. Okay, please go and take note of some of the people that you might want to ask. Okay, for this part 1B, don't have to do it yet. Okay, just come up with the questions. Okay, I have some interview guides, email guides that you can take note of here. Okay, importantly, part 4, go and look at the list of questions that people might want to ask, and importantly, look at your SLSE lecture notes. Okay, that's the end of this video. Okay, thank you so much for working hard on this. Okay, and I will see you in class. Thank you.